how to adjust the menu timeout of this monitor. So if I press a button, now this menu is shown, and if I don't press any of those buttons, then it will disappear in 10 seconds. So that's an AOC monitor. It already disappeared, and the model is U2477PWQ. Okay, so to adjust the menu timeout, I will use these 4 buttons. Can you see it? So that one enters something, this one exits something, and these 2 in the middle will go left, right, or up or down. So enter to show the menu. Okay, and we have to go to OSD setup. So go there, it has to be on the left side. So OSD setup, enter into that one. Okay, now go to the right with the right arrow. It goes down. Now enter into that timeout. Okay, and right arrow and increase it as much as you want. So I press the right arrow. Okay, accept it with the button on the right side, this one. Accept it and exit and exit. Okay, and now that menu will not disappear in 10 seconds how is default, but it should disappear after 120 seconds, that is 2 minutes. Okay, let's not wait 2 minutes, but simply exit out from it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.